Looking for the best embroidery machines to suit your needs? In this video, we're diving into some of the top options available right now. Before we begin, don't forget to check out the links in the description to find the best deals within your budget. Let's get started. Number 5. U10-2685. Our pick for the best budget embroidery machine. Meet your new best friend in sewing. This isn't just a sewing machine, it's your creative partner, complete with embroidery features that make you feel like a pro, even if you're just starting out. With this machine, you can turn plain fabric into beautiful designs with just the press of a button. The sleek LCD touchscreen is where you control everything, making it easy to navigate through all the functions. Need to reverse a seam? There's a button for that. Want to make sure your needle is always in the right position when you start or stop? The needle up/down button has got you covered. Plus, automatic tension takes the guesswork out of your projects. Weighing only 15 pounds, this lightweight machine is portable enough to bring to your next sewing group. With 200 built-in stitches, the possibilities are endless, whether you're adding some flair to a pillowcase or tackling a big quilt project. Simply plug it in, fire it up, and get ready to bring your creative ideas to life. The U10-2685 is here to help you craft your dreams into reality. Number 4. Brother PE800. Our pick for best embroidery machine for beginners. If you're diving into the wonderful world of embroidery, let me introduce you to your new best friend, the Brother PE800. Think of this machine as the oversized companion you didn't know you needed, like a trusty sidekick for your crafting adventures. It's designed for those who might not know the difference between a satin stitch and a straight stitch. No judgment here. We've all been there. Imagine this, you've just unboxed the PE800 and within a mere 30 minutes you're already stitching away thanks to an instruction manual that doesn't read like ancient hieroglyphics. Even the stitching novice like our own Deanna McCormick found herself whipping out creative designs with a smirk on her face. Helpful tips pop up on the screen like your overly enthusiastic crafting buddy guiding you through every step. She notes, "Now fair warning, this beauty takes up some real estate, so make sure you have a crafting corner spacious enough to accommodate its vibrant personality, but on the upside, a larger embroidery area means you can unleash your creativity on bigger projects." Hello custom pillows and table runners. With the Brother PE800 you're not just sewing, you're making memories, one stitch at a time, so grab your thread, roll up your sleeves and let's get music, stitching. Still searching for the perfect embroidery machine? Well, don't throw in the towel just yet, we've got more coming your way. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe now and hit the bell icon to get notified when we drop new videos. You won't regret it. Number 3. 51501 Computerized. Our pick for best embroidery machine for hats. Are you ready to level up your embroidery game? Say hello to the Hat Embroidery Machine, your new creative partner in crime. With a mighty embroidery area of 350 by 500 millimeters, this machine is like your trusty sidekick, perfect for tackling those grand designs on jackets and suitcase backs. You'll wonder how you ever crafted without it. But wait, there's more. This isn't just any machine. It operates at a dazzling speed of up to 12,200 stitches per minute. That's faster than you can say I need more thread. Your productivity will soar and you'll leave your competition in the dust as you whip up stunning hats in no time. Transferring designs. A piece of cake with a USB interface. You can effortlessly upload your coolest creations directly from your computer. No more fussing around. Just smooth sailing from idea to finished product. Built like a tank yet designed for ease of use, the machine is perfect for embroidery pros and eager newbies alike. Plus, with top-notch technical support and training, you'll be a whiz in no time. So, whether you're embroidering for fun or your thriving business, the Hat Embroidery Machine is your ultimate tool for turning visions into reality. Get ready for a creative journey that's as fun as it is rewarding. Your masterpiece awaits. Number 2. Everone Charlotte. Our pick for best portable embroidery machine. Looking for a sewing machine that's small in size but big on functionality? Meet the Everone Charlotte, your new best friend in the world of stitching. This little dynamo boasts an impressive 70 built-in stitches, making it versatile enough to tackle any sewing project you can dream up. Whether you're crafting a chic skirt or whipping up a cozy quilt. But wait, there's more. With an automatic needle threader and cutter, you can dive head first into your creative endeavors without wasting precious time fussing with stubborn threads. Just imagine getting projects started. Has never been this easy, and with a speedy 650 stitches per minute, you'll feel like the flash of the sewing world zooming through your to-do list in record time. We know you're just getting started on your sewing journey, and that's precisely why this machine is perfect for you. Its user-friendly design makes it a hit among beginners, giving you the confidence to explore your creativity without breaking the bank. At just 15.5 by 7 by 11 in and weighing 16 pounds, it's easy to tuck away when you're not whipping up masterpieces, because let's face it, even the most passionate sewers need a little space sometimes. So grab your fabric, channel your inner designer, and let the Everone Charlotte lead you down the path of sewing brilliance. Happy stitching. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items, and be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Number 1. Brother SE2000. Our pick for best embroidery machine overall. Are you ready to unleash your inner creative genius? Meet the ultimate partner in your sewing and embroidery escapades, the Brother Sewing and Embroidery Machine. This isn't just another appliance, it's your new best friend in fabric manipulation. With its luscious 5 and x7 in embroidery area, you'll have more room than ever to bring your wildest design dreams to life. Navigating this beauty is as easy as pie thanks to its big friendly touch screen that practically begs you to touch it. Say goodbye to battling with tangled threads and bobbins. This machine has an automatic thread cutter and an intuitive needle threader that'll make you feel like a pro from day one. Let's not forget about those speed controls. Whether you're breezing through a simple project or meticulously crafting a masterpiece, you've got the power in your hands. With 193 built-in designs and 13 fonts, you'll never run out of inspiration. Feeling adventurous? Upload your own designs wirelessly or through the USB port. It's like giving your creativity a personal VIP pass. And this isn't just your average machine, it's an upgraded version of the beloved Brother SE1900, which means you're stepping into a world of endless possibilities. So grab this 38 pounds powerhouse of joy and let the sewing shenanigans begin. Your fabric will never know what hit it. That's a wrap. We hope you had a blast going through our list of best embroidery machines. If so, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Also, let us know in the comments which embroidery machine you're planning to pick. Let's make it happen. Thanks for watching. We will see you in our next videos.